Welcome to RetroBoxBreaks, the channel where we open up baseball card boxes from the 80s and 90s. Today we're going to open up a box of 1987 Topps. Who can forget those old wood borders? So this thing has some pretty good rookies in it. We have a Bo Jackson rookie, Barry Bonds, of course. I mean, he's the guy everybody's looking for apparently. Also, we have a Rafael Palmeiro and a Barry Larkin rookie. Then also an early Mark McGwire, some Roger Clemens in there, and some Nolan Ryan, and a Will Clark rookie. So let's see if we can pull some of those out of this box and have a good time doing it. Let's get to it here. Man. These packs are really thick with the gum. All right. 36 1987 Topps packs. Oh, there's nobody on the bottom of this one. Okay. There's a save a box deal, though. All right, here we go. Let's get into these. Of course, one card in every pack is going to be destroyed by the gum. But that's all right. Maybe we'll get lucky, and it won't be any of the guys we're looking for. Darryl Strawberry. Mark McGwire right off the bat. Man, I couldn't remember this card whenever I was looking at the Beckett, but now that I've seen it, oh, I definitely remember that Darryl Strawberry All-Star, too. So here we go. Nice early Mark McGwire. You know, these cards coming out of the packs look a lot nicer than they did in the sheets of cards I had back in the day. I don't know why. I just felt like the ones with the wood borders got beat up worse. You know what? I think I'm going to put these in sleeves as I go along here. At least the better ones. There we go. One pack, one hit. Mark McGwire, I think, is actually the second most valuable card in the set behind Barry Bonds, even though it's not his rookie. Actually, it looks like two cards in every pack are getting destroyed. One from the gum, one from the pack itself. There's a Uribe. Barry Jones, not who we're looking for. All right, there we go. Two packs down. Nothing in that second one. Still got a lot to go, though. George Brett here on the back getting the gum. And that's really on there. You can see messing up the card all the way through to the front. There we go. Nothing in that pack. I'll tell you what. If you want to see a bunch of hits in a pack in a box, you should go back and look at the '83 Don Russ live stream. Holy moly! We got anything that was worth getting in that. John Kruk got eaten by the gum there. Heath Fernandez, I feel like we got him once already. There's an Oral Hershiser. There we go. Another swing and a miss, but that's okay. Mickey Hatcher gets the gum piece this time. Vince Coleman. There's another guy I remember, definitely. Vince Coleman. I feel like he was on the cover of a Beckett that I got recently. Ozzie Smith there, of course. Shouldn't skip over that guy. Wally Joyner. Well, I'm starting to wonder if we're going to get anything else in here. Dwight Gooden. Jose Canseco actually seems to be a desirable card out of this set, according to Beckett there. Of course, his big rookie card in 86 with a rated rookie. In the Donruss set, that is. Well, this is turning out to be a little bit of a dud here in the first quarter of the box. And looks like we're gonna hopefully we can get something out of this one last pack here in the first quarter of the box. I guess I shouldn't complain too much getting a Mark McGwire, but still. We would have thought we would have gotten one or two other cards, a Nolan Ryan or a Roger Clemens or a Canseco or somebody. Nope. Ryan Sandberg, there we go. 83 Donruss rookie. We got a couple of those in that box. I'm going to pull him out. Dave Winfield. There's another old guy. Well, I haven't noticed very much duplication as I go past that Red Sox leader. Bobby Bonilla. There we go. When's his rookie? Looks like it's a little bit earlier than Barry Bonds. Can't remember if Bonilla and Bonds had a nickname like McGwire and Canseco. McGwire and Canseco, if I remember correctly, were the Bash brothers. Wade Boggs. Got a couple of his rookies in that 83 Donruss. Ozzie Smith again, all-star this time. Mark McGwire. Okay. Okay, we got some, and a Darryl Strawberry there. I think he was behind Mark McGwire the last time. Okay, so two Mark McGwires here in the first half of the box. This is starting to look pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. We'll see if we get anything else out of the rest of this quarter. Bill Buckner. Remember Barry Jones. Uh-oh. We might be looking at another box of mediocrity here. I mean, some people might say pulling 2 Mark McGwires is not really mediocrity, but Kirby Puckett, that's pretty cool. All right, nothing in that one. Well, if the first quarter of the box is any measure of this one, we're probably not going to get anything for a couple more packs, and then there will be something semi-interesting towards the back. We'll see here. Dennis Boyd, is that Oil Can Boyd? There it is, Oil Can Boyd. As he's known on some other cards. Saw that Todd Swirl earlier, or Swirl, or Whirl. I can't read. That's a W, not an S. All right. Rick Aguilera there with the gum. Joe Negro. Ozzie Smith again. I don't know. This isn't looking too good here. I'm pulling for that second half of the box. Hopefully there's something fun in there. If it doesn't pop up here in the next pack or two. Wally Joyner again. Dave Parker, don't remember him popping up before. I remember that guy. Because I thought, oh, A's, almost a Jose Canseco. Almost. Donnie Hill. Carlton Fisk. There we go. Oh. Here we go. Last pack in the first half of the box. Gotta say this box is kind of turning out to be a little bit of a letdown here so far. Though, I guess I do have to take that with a little bit of perspective. The last box was just a massive home run of a box. So, maybe I had some high expectations here. Otis Nixon. I feel like yep, he was definitely in there earlier. All right, here we go. Second half. Feeling good. Jack Morris right there. I don't remember seeing him earlier. Maybe we got a different set of cards out of the sorting machine. Mets leaders. I don't remember that from earlier. That's looking good. Ruben Sierra, 86 record breaker. What record did he hit? He won't turn 21 until October 6th. Slugs from each side of the plate at the youngest age. Oh, okay. Got a card on the back that says 25 years ago in 1962. There we go. Turn back the clock. Of course, now it's 30-something years later. Still feel like I'm seeing some... Oh, Yogi Berra? Sure looks like it to me. There's another turn back the clock. Carl Yastrzemski. So we're definitely hitting up some cards we didn't get in the first half of the box. That's good. Now all we need to do is get ourselves a couple of the rookie cards we're looking for. It's been so long since we've gotten anything good, I forgot what we were looking for, to be honest. Maybe we'll come across one of them to jog my memory. Will Clark, there we go. Shoot, I think that might be... Oh, Cal Ripken. That's cool. I think this is a Will Clark rookie card. That's cool. Pull that out. Cal Ripken Jr. It's always fun to get one of him. Pretty cool. Of course, he's played for several years at this point. There we go. Cal Ripken Jr. So we're not doing too bad. Let's refresh my memory on what rookie cards we're looking for here. Bo Jackson, Jeezel Pete's. How did I forget that one? Man, definitely need a Bo Jackson out of this. Barry Bonds. Will Clark. Okay, so that was a rookie card for Will Clark. Rafael Palmeiro and Barry Larkin. So we've gotten one of the rookies that we're looking for here. Jose Uribe with a piece of gum stuck to him. George Brett. There's a cool card. He had the gum stuck to him in the first half. Uh-oh. I guess that means some duplication. Same thing with the Uribe. Kevin Mitchell. Honestly, that might be his rookie card, too. Man. Oh, there we go. Roger Clemens All-Star. That's a nice pull. There we go. Apparently had 24 wins. 1986. Man, he looks young in that card. Looks very young. All right. So second half is picking up here. Not getting the not hitting the home runs or anything, but we're getting some cards worth pulling out anyways. John Kruk again. I don't know. The excitement meter is starting to wane. Oral Hershiser again. Vince Coleman. Oh, geez, we've seen this before. Prove me wrong here, Tops. Put something good in here. Willie Wilson. Saw him earlier, too. All right. Well, it looks like maybe Mark McGwire is going to be the big pull out of the box. Although he is worth more than Bo Jackson, I'd rather pull Bo Jackson, to be completely honest. Willie McGee. Tony Gwynn. There we go. 1983 Don Russ. Pulled a couple of that guy. And nope. No winner in that one. All right. I feel like the good cards have been coming out of the second half of the pack. Mike Greenwell. I was going to say, it seems like that's his rookie, too. Just these guys that I remember from way back in the day. Not listed anymore in the old Beckett, so I guess it didn't do all that well, but there was a time. Pete Rose manager card. There we go. Oh, team checklist on the back. That's cool. Robin Yount. That's neat. Here we go. The last quarter of the box. Still looking for pretty much everybody. Barry Bonds, Bo Jackson, Rafael Palmeiro, Barry Larkin, Bueller, somebody. Sparky Anderson. Well, turn back the clock, Carl Yastrzemski. Oh, B.J. Sherhoff. I remember this card for sure. Future Stars. Guess he didn't quite make it. I think he might have been a #1 overall draft pick or something. Could be wrong on that. Eric Plunk. I think he was on a card with Canseco or something. For their rookie, like their Fleer rookie or something. Ah, there we go. Reggie Jackson, turn back the clock. We're still seeing cards. There we go, Roberto Clemente. We're still seeing cards that we haven't seen yet, but not the ones we're looking for. The question is, are we going to pull it out? Oh, look at that. Cal Ripken Jr. All-Star. That's cool. Are we going to pull it out in the end? Are we going to pull it out in the end? That is the question. Tell you what, if we're going to get some of the cards we're looking for here, we better start pulling them quick. Oh, man, some horrible printing problem on this card. Man, that's horrendous. Just a line right down his face. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. I'm going to pull it out anyways. There we go. Rafael Palmeiro. Future Stars. Holy moly. Finally got something. Very cool. Very cool. That is awesome. So Rafael Palmeiro, of course, went on to play for Texas. Got one of the rookie cards we were looking for. Man, now I'm excited. I'm excited. I feel like we're going to pull it out here in the end. Get ourselves a Bo Jackson or a Barry Bonds. All right. Like I said, the first half of the pack felt like really not worth going through. Ricky Henderson turned back the clock. Record breaker Roger Clemens. Most strikeouts in a 9-inning game. How many did he do? Does it say? 20 strikeouts in a 9-inning game. I don't know. Did somebody beat him at some point? I feel like there's a pitcher that got 21 at some point. Holy crap, there it is. That's what we're looking for right there. Don't even need to see the rest of the card. We know what that is. There it is, right there. Bo Jackson. Maybe not the most expensive card in the set, but who cares? It is the best card in the set. How flippin' awesome is that? Pulling a Bo Jackson 1987 Topps rookie straight out of a pack. There we go. Man, look at that. Whew. That is a nice looking card. Nice looking card. I don't know, is it honestly, like, not being an expert, this actually looks really good. Wow, this looks really good. I mean, what's a PSA 10 87 Topps Bo Jackson go for? $15? Still, honestly, I might send this one in just because how awesome would it be to be able to, like, yeah, I pulled that out of a pack. Holy moly, King Griffey. Don Mattingly. Oh, that Mike Lloyd picture looks really fuzzy. Like, they photoshopped it really horribly. Holy moly. Man. All right. We are just going for it. Who's in this next pack? So we've gotten 2 packs in a row with... Oh, shoot. I didn't even look in the first half of that. Let's look in the first... I mean, we haven't gotten anything in the first half of a pack, but let's take a look. All right, there we go. Nothing in the first half. All right. Here we go. The exciting part of the pack, the back hat. Oh, there's another feature star. No, don't know that guy. All right, 2 packs left. Pretty happy with this box so far. Got a couple of Mark McGwires. Got the Bo Jackson. Just need to pull out the Barry Bonds, I think, really to get the biggest hitters. And then, of course, there's a Barry Larkin in there somewhere. And second to last pack. That is it for the second to last pack. We have one last pack to go. Is this it? Is the Barry Bonds in the last pack? Maybe it's a Barry Larkin. We've gotten this Billy Joe Robideau or however you say it. Gotten him before. So let's see here. Are we going to get something? Are we? Ozzie Smith? Chili Davis? Nope. Nothing in the last pack. So let's go through these here real quick. Get a quick breakdown. Roger Clemens, record breaker. Cal Ripken All-Star. Pete Rose manager. Roger Clemens All-Star. Regular Cal Ripken card. Will Clark rookie card. Ryan Sandberg card. And then, of course, the biggest hit of them all, the Bo Jackson. Bo Jackson rookie right there. Look at that. Rafael Palmeiro. And then a couple of couple of early Mark McGwires. Look at how skinny his arm is. Look at that. I mean, his arms are as big as his legs used to be. All right, well, I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Look at that Bo Jackson. I'm going to leave you with one last impression of that dude. Make sure and hit that like, subscribe, and all that stuff down below. Have a nice day.